Imagine making hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month by letting AI do most of the writing for you. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's absolutely possible. In this video, I'll show you how to create a profitable blog using AI-generated content and earn passive income online. Let's get started. First, let's break down what blogging is. Blogging is simply creating content for a website. This content can be informative, entertaining, or educational. Successful bloggers attract visitors to their websites and earn money through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling products. Now, here's where AI steps in. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic can help you write high-quality blog posts faster than ever. You can generate headlines, introductions, detailed paragraphs, and even search engine optimization optimized content in minutes. For instance, if you run a fitness blog, you can ask AI to create a post titled 5 Best Exercises to Burn Fat Quickly. And in seconds, you'll have a detailed draft ready to edit and personalize. Choosing the right niche is key to success. Focus on topics that have high demand and earning potential. Popular niches include technology and gadgets, health and wellness, finance and investing, digital marketing, productivity tools. Pick something you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. AI is great for creating content, but don't just copy-paste AI-generated text. Add value by sharing personal insights, adding real-life examples, including case studies and original research. Suppose you're writing about best gadgets for remote work. Use AI to generate a list of gadgets, but also share your own experience, like how a specific ergonomic chair improved your productivity. This makes your content authentic and valuable. To rank your blog on Google, follow these tips. Use keyword research tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest. Write catchy meta titles and descriptions. Structure your content with clear headings. Add internal links to other helpful posts on your blog. If you're writing about healthy meal prep tips, you can link to another post about top 5 meal prep containers to keep readers engaged. Here's how you can turn your blog into a money-making machine. Google AdSense. Display ads on your blog for passive income. Affiliate marketing. Promote products with referral links and earn commissions. Sponsored posts. Brands will pay you to feature their products. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, or courses. Freelance writing. Showcase your expertise and offer writing services. For example, a blogger in the home improvement niche could write a post about best paint brands for interiors and include Amazon affiliate links to each product. Every purchase through those links earns a commission. Success takes consistency. Post 2. 3 high-quality articles per week and track your progress using Google Analytics. As your traffic grows, explore outsourcing additional content creation to AI tools for faster scaling. Blogging with AI is an incredible opportunity, but remember, the magic happens when you combine AI efficiency with your personal touch. Start your blogging journey today, and who knows, your blog could be your next big income stream. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.